In this video, let's see how to reinstall Microsoft Edge. So if you do uninstall it using a different software and you want to reinstall it, this is how you're going to do it. At least this is what worked for me when I tried to reinstall Microsoft Edge. So the first thing, of course, you need to go to Google and search for Windows Update Catalog. And then click the first item. And then when you're here, just search for Edge, and you can search using your system. So if you're on a 32-bit system, you can search for x86. If you're on a 64-bit system like me, you can just search for Edge x64. So once you see all this, the one that you want is a stable version. So look for the stable version and make sure you sort them based on last updated, like I've done here. So choose the stable version. And I'll just choose the one for my system. Make sure you choose the correct one for your system, because if you choose a different one, it may not work. So in this case, I'm going to click on download for the stable version. And once I'm here, if I want to download it, I'll just click there and let it download. And once it's done downloading, we'll come back, we'll open it using WinRAR, and then we're just going to run it directly, and it's going to install Microsoft Edge for us. So just double click it and it's going to open on WinRAR. If you don't have WinRAR, you can just download it online. So I'm just going to click on this because I can see it is an installable item, Windows installable item. So you can just double click on that and it's going to start installing Microsoft Edge for you. So just give it time, and once it's done, you'll see that Microsoft Edge is now back on your Windows system. So once the window disappears, you can just search for Microsoft Edge and you can see Microsoft Edge is now available. That's pretty much it, how to install Microsoft Edge if you uninstall it by mistake or you use a different software to uninstall it. Hope the video helps you, and I will see you in another video next time.